Oh. Reverse out. Oh, forward. Steer the other. Is that far enough back, yeah? I think so.
Whoa there, Ben.
What's her name?
Sophie.
Sophie, that's it, go on.
Go ahead, Sophie, go.
Give you a little push. Ready? Go! No, you're not. You weren't steering the right way there, darling. That's it, go. Right, go back and steer the other way. Once you move, that's it. Brilliant. Now go forward. Now go forward.